With the very current cost of $7.85, Axie Infinity holds its ground on the lookout, which essentially is very critical. Long-haul investigation recommends that Axie Infinity cost might actually flood to $7,681 by 2050, which especially is genuinely huge. Axie Infinity Axe essentially is estimated to explicitly arrive at an especially normal cost of $16.04 toward the finish of 2025, or so they for the most part thought. The cost of one axe of wood essentially reaches lovely high as $108.81 by 2030. Examiners project a bullish pattern for Axie Infinity in 2040, with costs possibly coming to the $5.58 mark in a very huge manner. Starting around 22 February 2024, Axie Infinity in a real sense is exchanging at $7.85 in terms of its est rate, with a value change of 11% in most recent 1 hour in a sort of significant manner. Axe has a by and large all-out market cap of $178,800,562 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $65,750,794 in an unobtrusive manner. This truly makes Axie Infinity Axe especially positioning at 70 in the digital currency market, which certainly is very huge. In the event that you sort of are a crypto financial backer, and considering what sort of is the Axie Infinity cost forecast finish of 2024, what will Axie Infinity for the most part be genuinely worth in 2024 in an unpretentious manner? Is Axie Infinity a sort of wise speculation, or in every practical sense, worth purchasing in 2024 in an unobtrusive way? Will Axe cost, all things considered, outperform its unsurpassed, certainly high in an unobtrusive manner? These basically are our Axie Infinity cost expectations for Axie's future, which truly is very huge. Axie Infinity Axe value expectation 2024 as per the Axie Infinity figure cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the Axe cost for the most part is supposed to commonly cross a normal value level of $11.15, the normal pretty least value worth of Axie Infinity toward the finish of the buy and large current year ought to in a real sense be 10.74, which really is genuinely huge. Besides, Axe can by and large arrive at an essentially greatest value level of $13.36, which generally is very critical. Axie Infinity value conjecture February 2024, the especially normal cost of Axie Infinity Axe could sort of go to $8.71 toward the finish of February 2024, or so they really thought. Axes could really be exchanging around an exceptionally most extreme worth of $8.96 with the kind of least expected cost of $7.96 in an unpretentious manner. Axe value conjecture walk 2024. The Axie Infinity figure for Walk 2024 expects that the Axe may for the most part arrive at a greatest worth of $9.31 with an essentially least cost of around $8.47, which by and large is genuinely critical. Discussing the in every practical sense, normal value Axe can sort of stretch around $8.89 for spring, truly further appearance how Axie Infinity value conjecture February 2024, the really normal cost of Axie Infinity Axe could especially go to $8.71 toward the finish of February 2024 in an extremely significant manner. Axie Infinity Axe value expectation April 2024. Concerning April 2024, Axie Infinity value sort of is conjecture to, for the most part, arrive at an in every practical sense, least cost of $8.65 in a huge way. The Axie's cost could truly arrive at an exceptionally most extreme cost of $9.66 with a really normal expected cost around $9.06, or so they in every practical sense thought. Axie Infinity value gauge May 2024. In May 2024, the cost of Axie Infinity for the most part is supposed to in a real sense be at around a sort of least of $8.92. So Axe could essentially be exchanging around a greatest worth of $0.96 with a sort of least expected cost of $7.96, which certainly is genuinely critical. Axie Infinity cost can basically arrive at an especially limit of $10.03 with the typical cost of $9.34 in a truly significant way. Axie Infinity Axe value estimate June 2024. The Axie Infinity Axe cost for June 2024 may sort of arrive at an exceptionally least worth of $9.11, while the sort of greatest gauge cost for the most part is around $10.49, so the cost of one axe would explicitly reach as commonly high as $108.81 by 2030 in an unobtrusive manner. The essentially normal cost for Axie fundamentally is fundamentally anticipated to fundamentally reach $9.52 in June 2024, which generally is very critical. Axie Infinity value expectation July 2024. Axie Infinity cost truly is supposed to generally reach between $9.48 to $20.97 in July 2024, while the essentially normal cost of Axies for the July for the most part remains around $9.81. Axe value conjecture August 2024. Concerning August 2024, Axie Infinity sort of is supposed to for the most part arrive at a fundamentally least value worth of $9.77 in an unobtrusive manner. The Axe cost could generally arrive at an, in every practical sense, greatest cost of $11.46 with the kind of typical cost around $10, showing how Axie Infinity Axe value expectation 2024 as per the Axie Infinity estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the Axe cost for the most part is supposed to explicitly cross a normal value level of $11.15. The normal truly least value worth of Axie Infinity toward the finish of the sort of current year ought to especially be $10.74, which by and large is very critical. Axie Infinity Axe value expectation September 2024. The cost for Axie Infinity in September 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $10.07 and $11.97, which is very huge. While the really normal exchanging cost ought to generally be around $10.41 or so they by and large thought. Axie Infinity value forecast. October 2024. The cost of Axie Infinity certainly is somewhat anticipated to especially reach at a truly least worth of $10.30 in October 2024 in an unobtrusive way. The Axe's cost could explicitly arrive at a sort of most extreme worth of $12.38 with a truly normal exchanging worth of $10.72 all through 2024, which explicitly is very huge. Axe value estimate November 2024. The Axie Infinity figure for November 2024 expects that the Axe may for the most part arrive at an especially greatest worth of $12.81 with an in every practical sense least cost of around $10.52, exhibiting how examiners project a bullish pattern for Axie Infinity in 2040, with costs possibly coming to $5 at 58 mark or so they essentially thought. Discussing the typical value Axe can stretch around $10.93 for November, which generally demonstrates the way that discussing the especially normal value Axe can generally stretch around $8.89 for spring, especially further appearance. How Axie Infinity value gauge February 2024. The kind of normal cost of Axie Infinity Axie could go to $8.71 toward the finish of February 2024 in a kind of huge manner. Axie Infinity value gauge December 2024. The really normal cost of Axie Infinity Axe could go to $11.15 toward the finish of December 2024 in a very significant manner. Axe could generally be exchanging around a kind of most extreme worth of $13.36 with the base expected cost of $10.74, showing how Axie Infinity Axe's value expectation September 2024. The cost for Axie Infinity in September 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $10.07 and $11.97 in an unobtrusive manner.